Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show a recipe of a bread that is sweet brioche bun. So let's get started. To make the bun, you'll need flour, yeast, sugar, butter, egg, warm milk and salt. First mix egg, sugar, yeast with the warm milk. Let it rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, mix flour and salt. Then mix all the ingredients together. You can add extra half a cup of flour if you need to. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Do not add too much of flour. The dough needs to be soft like this. Wrap it and let it rest for half an hour. Knead it till the stickiness goes away. Stretch and fold the dough from every side. The more you'll stretch the dough, the more it will be smoother. Add butter on the dough, then fold it. Repeat the process few times. After adding the butter, it will get sticky, though it will go away. You can make various snacks with this dough and combined with various fruits of your choice. Shape the dough by hand like this. Cover it and let it rest for 2 hours or 4 hours or overnight. After 2 hours, burst the bubbles and let all the airs come out and flat the dough. Divide it into 8 pieces. I'm showing 3 types of shape. First, I'm making small buns. Shape it by circling it around. Then flat it a little bit. The next one I'm showing looks like Rapunzel's braided hair. Third one is easy, just take 2 strings and make a circle after twisting them. Use baking paper on the tray. I used butter, but I regret it later. Cover it and let it rest for 40 minutes. Brush them with egg wash and sprinkle the top with some sesame seeds and black seeds. Bake them on preheated oven at 130 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes. If you want to add more color to it, just egg wash them another time in the middle of the baking. I like the color and how glossy they came out. This is how they came out, soft and sweet brioche bun. Give it a try at your home, and if you like the video then give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!